everyone. We are back with Glenn Belver Reviews here, and my sister's vacuum broke. She has a lot of pets. Well, not a lot of pets. She has two dogs, but they shed. So she has like a lot of dog hair around. So it's a lot of wear and tear on the vacuum. So she got this instead to try this out because the other one kind of didn't last as long as we wanted. So this is the Eureka PowerSpeed Turbo Spotlight Lightweight Vacuum, as you can see by the box. XL dust cup. It's supposed to be very lightweight. It comes with a 2-year warranty, which hopefully is good. Multi-floor cleaning for all different surfaces. It has lights on it, LEDs. As we spin it around, there's 5 height settings, it says, for your floor types. No maintenance costs with a washable filter and no bags. Extra large and easy to empty dust cup. And this is the wire holder, because I just put together a vacuum, so I already know. This is the wire holder right here. So you're probably just going to snap this on like mine did, and then the wire wraps around here. Same thing with this. This usually just snaps right on. Okay. Here we go. All right, this is for, you already know what this is for. It's called a turbo brush. They call this a turbo brush. That one they call the 2-in-1 brush that I showed you. This is called the turbo brush. So we're not going to try out all the attachments. We're just going to, try out the vacuum itself and how loud it is and stuff like that, so you guys get an idea of what you're buying. Yep, look at that. Easy cleaning. Look at that. Nice and easy to clean. There's a belt in there you can change out, a rubber belt. See, here's where it sucks in the air. And look at that. That's pretty cool. So that's kind of the design of it. So it all does is go like that. So this way you can clean it out. You get a lot of hair in there and stuff like that. So that's kind of cool. All right. So here's part of the arm, the top, the handle piece. All right. And it looks like the tubing hangs on in there. Something clips on over here. And this is kind of what it looks like. There's a little red trim on the top, as you can see. And there we go. So that's in there. Okay. All right, here's the extension wand that they told you about that you read. There it is. There's the little brush on the top that just flips over. Oh, pretty cool. Look at this. Goes on its side. And the brush to get like
easy cleaning up there.
Easy cleaning behind stuff. See that? How it folds out? So that's really cool. Or it folds in to use this part. So that's kind of a cool setup. This is how you extend it and unextend it. You push this little tab in. There's a little lock right here when it locks out. Okay. So that's it for that. That's the tubing. Yeah, then we got the hose. So here's the hose. It comes with a 90-degree angle on here, so it's just going to go in there, I guess, and twist in. I think this is supposed to be a toolless installation. Usually that's how they are now. Oh, it is very light. Good. Yeah, very, very light. Oh my God, yeah. Like it weighs almost less than Coco because of the size. Mm-hmm. It feels like it does, though. Here's the cord now, I'm sorry. Here's the cord. It comes like this. It looks like it's about a 25-foot cord. That's usually what they include these days, is a 25-foot cord. So that's what it does look like. So we are going to extend this, get it out, because we are going to test it out over there. What do you usually plug it in?
Over here.
Okay. So it looks like a similar setup to mine. I'm pretty sure all you do is just snap this in like this. Okay. Yep, see that snaps in just like that. The wire holders as well. And then we got the other one right here. Here's the top part of the wire holder, which this one does move. This one moves left or right to take the wire off so you don't have to unravel it manually. See, that one snapped in. The top snapped in, the bottom didn't, but it should be able to still hold its weight. So that's it, and then it's going to just wrap up like this, see? Just like that. And you're probably going to want the tension on this side pulling, because since this 90-degree snaps in, you're going to want the tension on this side pulling up. So, because if you have tension on this side, it's going to pop out since there's nothing holding it together. There's no lock in there. All right, I guess it just goes like that. See how it just goes right in there? I think it just slides on like that is what it looks like in the picture. Alright, so that's the gist of it. That's the setup of what you can expect. This kind of just goes right in there from what I've seen in the picture. Alright, so you'll see the setup from all around right now. Alright, it goes like that. You click on this and I think it releases it. Yep, so it'll start the vacuum and it'll release it just like that. This button here is the power button. So you have the power button right there as well. And that's it for the buttons. I am going to take the filter apart because obviously I got to show you. It looks just like a Dyson, it's the same exact thing as the Dyson. Honestly, if you have a Dyson design, looking like the same thing. So you hit this, right? So it comes out with this button right here, and you hit it, it pops right out. You pull out the top first. There's a gasket or a seal that usually sits right here. You got to make sure that seats properly when you put it on. You can clean the filter that comes in it. Here's the filter. You just hit this little snap right here. And then it opens up. And then your filter is right here. Has a little, has a tab on it to pull up, and you can clean this out really good with something and then let it dry for a couple of hours. Make sure it's very dry before you put it on, otherwise it's just gonna clog and turn into crap. So that's not what you're gonna want. So it seems like it's pretty simple. It just kind of goes like that. Oops, not even lined with it. Okay. So that snaps on like that. There's your little maintenance guide they put on the back. The bottom opens as well if you hit this button. This is how you empty out the bottom. Alright, so you just hit this button right here. It's a quick empty, shake it out, all the crap comes out. Alright, so that's it. And there's your little protector in there to suck up all the dust. And here we go. So we're going to start the vacuuming process and get this thing going right now for you. So you guys can see how loud it is. Oops. Okay. That's the height. That's this.
Well, it's going to do floor
so that's
right now.
The height. So
floor
bare floor, right? Or
yeah.
low carpet?
Yeah, bare floor.
Bare floor. So we're doing bare floor.
And
Okay. So that's the lowest setting is bare floor. So.
And then the couch.
And everything. You ready, guys? Here we go. So we're going to click it down and we're going to click it on. So that was a review of kind of how loud it is and the cleaning up that so you have an idea. So that's kind of what it is. It cleaned up very quickly. We have it set on bare floor. And now we're just going to do a little review of it working on the couch. And that's it. All right. So, and then we attach this to here like this. And then it snaps in. And then you get the, which tool should we use? This one or you want to use
I think we should use, either works, but that works.
This one's cool. Did I show you? Unscrew this, open it up, and you bring it under the sink.
Oh, that's
and
great.
You get everything right out of it.
I usually use that one on the other vacuum. That's what I've used.
Okay,
but
let's do it.
I like the lint brush.
So we don't need the long one. I could just stick this one on,
it's just
right?
to
Yeah, we
do
don't
this
need the
really
extension. Okay, so it goes on. We're not going to put the extension on it. We're just going to make it small because we don't need to put it that long. This is not that low. So let's get this going and we'll see what it looks like. Oops, I hit the wrong button. You gotta go one way. Look at the strings in there. Oh, look at that.
I need to go back and forth. So the plug is over there right away.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know. Do you go back and forth or?
Yeah.
Oh, it only goes one way. Look, when I go back, nothing happens. Only when I go fit.
Okay.
So it actually only goes one way. I don't understand how, but yeah. Okay. Isn't that weird how it only moves when you go forward?
Yeah.
There's gotta be a reason, I just don't know. I think it looks better already.
It's still suction, so yeah, see? Got the little dog here and the
Wow, look at that.
cereal and stuff.
Look how clean that couch looks. I guess the brush works. It really works. The brush, I guess. Wow. That is pretty good. I like that. Yeah, that's cool. That's gonna work perfect. And like I said, you just open this up and clean it out. All right. Okay. So that's about it for Glen Velvet reviews on the Eureka vacuum that my sister got. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help you guys out in the community, just like I get help as well. See if it's worth you guys buying this or not. All right? So everybody have a day, enjoy, and be safe. Bye-bye.